Ayan guys, nandito tayo sa bus stop guys. So, ayan, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay magantay lang guys. Pauwi na tayo guys. Ayan guys, kita nyo naman guys. 6:32 na ng gabi dito guys. Pero parang hapon pa din yung panahon guys. Ayan guys. So, kantay tayo guys. Ayan guys. 6:38 yung darating yung bus na aking sasakyan na Capilano. Ayan guys. Punga na tayo guys. Wala pa naman yung bus guys. So, ayan guys. So sa trabaho ko nga pala guys ay kapag yung pati na medyo sunog na guys, tinatapon namin guys. So kapag ako nagluluto guys, natatakam ako sa pati guys. So, bukas guys, mag-vlog tayo guys sa West Edmonton Mall part 5 na guys. Ayan guys, antay-antay lang kayo bukas guys. Kasi ngayon guys, i-charge ko ngayong yung power bank. Dalawa yung cellphone na dadalhin ko bukas guys. Bukas alis tayo ng bahay mga 1 guys, 1 PM. So dapat yung cellphone ko na full charge lahat guys. So, maghantay lang tayo guys. So bukas 1, so mga 1:30 darating na yung bus kasi maglalakad pa tayo guys. Ganyan kasi yung bus dito guys. Kapag na-text mo yung number guys, halimbawa 1:15, so darating yung bus 1:30, so 15 minutes. Minsan din guys 45 yung nalagay guys. Ganyan kasi yung bus guys. Ayan guys, tamang hintay lang guys. So 6:35 na guys. So 3 minutes na lang guys. Nandito na yung bus. Sa hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Aaron Caralde, and don't forget to click the notification bell na all para updated kayo lagi sa aking mga vlog. Ayan guys. So ayan guys, marami ng mga motor dito guys. So wala pa rin guys. Antay pa rin tayo ng bus. So guys, bibisi tayo ng motor kapag nakaipon na tayo. So sa September guys, punta tayo sa Pinas. Mag-vlog tayo doon sa Pinas guys. Itutur ko kayo sa Pinas guys. Kahit sa anong tawag nito? Kahit sa amin lang guys, sa John North guys, sa Bara. Ayun guys. Mangantay lang tayo ngayon guys. So, pasensya na guys, hindi ako naka-vlog guys. Kasi hindi ako wala akong lakad kahapon. Ayan guys, mag-vlog tayo guys. So next week guys, Tuesday Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday and Sunday guys. Straight, may trabaho tayo guys. Hindi namin siya straight guys kasi walang duty ako sa Friday. Ayan guys, mga lang tayo guys, 23 hours guys, 5 shift and 0 closes guys. Ayan guys. Mga lang tayo guys. 6:37 na guys, 1 minute na lang guys. Parang ito na yung mas guys. Oo nga pala guys, ito na pala yun. Ayan guys, pasok na tayo sa bus guys. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, pasok na tayo sa bus. Dito tayo sa likuran. Ayan guys. Dito na tayo guys. Kapilano pala yung sinakyan natin na bus. Kasi doon tayo bababa guys sa 7408 80 Avenue Northwest guys. Doon tayo nang bababa. Sa 75 guys. Yung 7408 80 Avenue Northwest guys. Doon ako nakatira guys.
But do you guys have a vape? I have one. Please. I'm not gonna blow it out, but like I need to be I'm drunk as fuck.
Ayan guys.
Thank you. And you're so pretty. Both of you guys actually.
Ayan guys. Saan tayo guys? Again guys, ay hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Aaron Carole, and don't forget to click the notification bell na all para updates kayo lagi sa aking mga vlog. Ayan guys, stop light pa guys. So baka guys, sa Sunday guys, may naman tayo guys. May naipon na tayong konti guys. Sa September or August, kapag makaipon tayo ng sapat guys, punta na tayo ng Pinas guys. Bubok tayo ng
I'm 18. I'm gonna be 19.
ticket guys.
Young as fuck.
Antay-antay lang kayo guys. 3 weeks lang naman ako sa Pinas guys. Kasi celebrate ko yung birthday ng lolo ko.
I heard. I mean, I didn't hear, but I seen a video. And then somebody
Uncle ko. So, kapag sa August guys,
I don't know what that is, but he was literally there. He was like, kiss my shoes, and he was like,
so ayan guys.
there beside that.
for real?
That was
That's crazy.
And take it, the guy took my mom. This guy from GT.
Oh, the
So
guy
4
that
months tayo mag-ipon guys. Pag sa 4 months nakaipon tayo ng malaki guys.
And then apparently he
Sana tayo na. So ako lang mag-isa guys. Punta tayo guys. Kasi yung kapatid ko ay part-time lang siya guys. Tapos may pasok din siya guys sa May. So kapag nakakuha siya ng passing score sa exam, sisimula na siya mag-aaral guys. Electrician guys. Okay.
169th Street, 87th Avenue.
Ano tayo sa 169th Street guys? 7 Avenue. Yung palang West Edmonton Mall ay 170. Ayan guys. Tamang upo lang tayo dito guys sa bus. Habang nag-vlog tayo guys. Para din hindi tayo ma-bored guys. Ayan guys. Parang 3 PM pa lang ng hapon guys. Mainit pa kasi guys.
It was from him. He slumped me out. He fucking punched me and slumped me out. He told me that. Yeah, he told me that. He told me that It was my fault, but he hit me too hard, apparently.
So may per percent pa tayo guys. Okay lang guys, mababa tayo. Kasi pauwi naman tayo guys.
Suck my dick. I'll put that guy has. I have to.
So,
Wait.
so stop light na guys. So 6:42 na ng gabi guys. Parang so ayan guys.
I'm just gonna watch.
Like,
Ayan guys. Nakikita niyo naman yung sasaktan guys.
It's just part of something like the stop or after.
Sana guys wala nang snow guys. Kasi kapag mag-snow naman guys, mag-shovel na naman tayo guys. Mahirap kasi mag-shovel guys. Kasi pagkatapos mong shovel, mamaya shovel ka naman. Shovel ka na naman guys. Mahirap talaga mag-shovel dito guys.
You had a reason, right? You had a reason. I did. Because he cheated on me, so that's why.
Exactly.
And he wouldn't give me my phone, actually, because he always used my phone. So that's why I was so mad. So I started being on him. And then apparently he told me that he fucking punched me, and then he slugged me out.
So mamaya guys,
And then I fell on some random
iyan na tayo guys. Pero hindi mo na tayo magre-record guys.
right
Kasi
here.
hindi pa ako nakamitik guys. Kapag nakamitik na tayo guys, magbablog tayo guys. Magla-live stream tayo guys. So, ayun guys.
Just good thing.
it's not worth it. Yeah, I've been through that. It was hard to let go, but I had to.
I've been through it too. Since from
There's-
14 to I was with him for like 3 months now.
And he,
But like
and
I
he
was with
beats
my.
you.
So ito pala yung ticket ko ngayon
But
guys.
then I started
Ito
being on him
guys.
first. So
May nakalagay siya na ganito guys. Pizza guys.
He didn't have.
April 9. So ayan guys.
he just did it just to do it because I was beating.
Magbayad lang kayo ng
Yeah, but like,
maghulog lang kayo ng $3.75 guys. Ito yung ipapakita nyo kapag sasakay kayo ulit ng bus. Ayan guys. Maghulog pala kayo hindi magbayad. Same lang din yan guys. Ito pala yun guys. Ginagawa na yung train guys. West Edmonton Mall. So, siguro kapag matagal-tagal na tayo sa trabaho, punta tayo sa PB Bank. Kuha ko ng kape sa bank ko para tignan kung ilan na yung pera na naipon ko guys.
161st Street, 87th Avenue.
Kapag nakaipon na tayo ng malaki guys,
Requested.
punta na tayo sa Pinas. Ako lang isa guys. Isa lang balita yung dadalhin ko guys. Ako lang naman mag-isa.
Let's be friends.
Kapag dalawa kami guys, isang maleta at isang pakbag guys.
And then we'll talk about it because
Okay.
I got that back.
Sa akin. So, kape lang guys.
You too. You too. Wait, can you open the back door, please? Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye. I feel so bad for her. What the fuck? 3 months and she has reason and then you get
Makarating tayo sa ating uwian 7 guys. Kasi isang oras mahigit guys. Malapit na 2 hours. Ayan. Siguro mga 8. Nandun na tayo guys. 8. Kasi maglalakad pa tayo. Parang 3 PM pa guys. So, ayun naman guys. Bukas aalis tayo sa bahay 1.
159th Street, 87th Avenue.
Tatambay tayo sa West Edmonton Mall guys. Hanggang 6 PM guys. See you tomorrow in my vlog. Part 5 na natin sa West Edmonton Mall. Guys, kung hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And karali, and don't forget, click the notification bell na on para updated yung lagi sa aking mga vlog. Ayan guys, isa na guys, naglalap tayo guys. Ayan guys. Aming building dito guys. May bababa ko guys.
Yeah, bye.
May bababa naman guys. Ayan guys, may mga paserong bumaba guys. Ayan guys. So dito muna matatapos yung vlog natin guys. Hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel ulit, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Aaron Caralde, and don't forget to click the notification bell na on para updated ka lagi sa aking vlog. So have a wonderful day and have a nice day. See ya.